As your mayor, I always want residents to be fully informed. Just as during COVID, I want to share information so together we can overcome the challenges we face. Let's start with the snowfall. Comme vous le savez, nous avons battu un record avec plus de 70 cm de neige en 4 jours. Cela représente plus de 2 pieds de neige. I understand that you want to know why it's taking longer than usual to clear the snow, and most importantly, when it will be done. Snow clearing in Côte-Saint-Luc is done by city workers and by outside contractors. Our city workers have done an excellent job given the amount of snow we're dealing with. They have been out there 7 days a week, including through weekends. We expect by the end of today, the city crews will have completed the job given to them. Malheureusement, les rues que notre entrepreneur est chargé de dégager ne sont pas complétées qu'à environ 60% au moment de la production de cette vidéo. C'est tout à fait unacceptable. I am very unhappy. We have met with the contractor and put them on notice. The contractor is responsible to clean all the main streets and some others, including Cavendish, Fleet, Mackle, Kildare, Guelph, Westminster, Côte-Saint-Luc Road, and all the streets listed on the screen. Since our contractor has been deficient, our city staff are out there clearing one side of every street that the contractor has not yet touched. The contractor is being held responsible for any costs incurred by the city in assisting them to do their job. Voilà donc la situation à laquelle nous sommes confrontés. Je vous explique ce que se passe. Je ne cherche pas à trouver des excuses. Je veux que vous sachiez ce que moi je sais. Bottom line, we expect all sidewalks and streets to be cleared by Tuesday, February 25th. If our contractor further disappoints, you can rest assured our city staff will finish the job. The streets listed on the screen include the ones the contractor has not yet completed as of the taping of this video. If your street is not named and still needs to be cleaned, please send an email to service@cotesaintluc.org. Since our city workers will have worked a maximum of days straight as allowed by law, only the contractor will be working over the weekend, and our staff will return on Monday to assist and help complete any streets the contractor has not yet finished. Your safety and happiness are my number one priority. Be careful out there, and if you are elderly, infirm, or have special mobility needs and require urgent assistance, please email service@cotesaintluc.org or call 514-485-6800. The combination of a record snowfall and an inadequate service from our contractor has created a difficult situation for residents. I am very aware of how many of you feel. Je tiens également à remercier les nombreuses personnes qui m'ont dit qu'elles comprenaient que la tempête avait été particulièrement difficile et qu'elles appréciaient le professionnalisme des employés de la ville.